Welcome back to the Hiker Grove
Hi.
YouTube channel. We are out here today in the Brecon beacons and we are about to go up Fana Big.
It's really cold.
It is pretty cold, but yeah, we should see some good sights on the way. The sky's not clear, so we ain't going to see much when we're up there, but
It might clear up.
and also it's about just getting up there, isn't it? So we're just on our way up this track, and then we should get to Reservoir Wall, which I've wanted to see for ages, to be honest. So, and then we go off to our right up to Fana Big. New Stick of Life. The old Stick of Life got left at Skirrid, so this is the new Stick of Life. It's a good stick, to be fair, isn't it?
And yeah, it's like hiking stick. The tree smells.
Yeah, obviously this is the disused reservoir, which you can see when you're at the top of Penafan, all the other surrounding areas. But it is absolutely ginormous.
Our shoes are gonna die.
Well, this is why I wore boots and you got your trainers on. I'm guessing this is where they used to release the water.
I hear water.
It obviously is, because you can see the holes. I mean, that is insane. And now we stomp our way up to the top. I think it's going to be a chilly one. What we're trying to do now is avoid any wet and stay dry.
Because we kind of went off the path.
Yeah, because we did do that. So
I found the way, babe.
hopefully this is the way. So we're a little bit off the track. Maya's got wet feet. She's not happy. She's saying it's the worst mountain she's ever done.
I mean, if we went my way, we wouldn't be in this situation right now. Okay, my way was a rock, and then a few more rocks.
Yeah, but
Better than bog.
yeah.
Literally, this is what I had to say.
Yeah, it is. But it's all part of it, isn't it? Getting wet, cold and miserable. Let's go. Right, onwards. Up there in the distance we've got Penafan, Corndu, Cribbin. And we're on our way up this little
I thought we were going
ridge
to
there.
in front of us.
No, that's different, that's Cribbin. We're going up here.
Oh,
Well, it's closer.
we're closest to Cribbin.
No, we're not.
We literally are.
She's having a meltdown because she's got wet feet, but we'll keep on trucking, it's good.
We're closest to Cribbin.
All the best. Right, we're just at the bottom to start the incline up to the Fana Big diving board.
Yeah.
You can see a few people at the top. We took a little detour there through some serious bog. In all honesty, you didn't really enjoy that, did you?
No.
Do you think you'll be filled with joy by the time that we get to the top?
Okay.
Or do you think you'll be filled with joy by the time we get your hot chocolate on the way home?
Second one.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Right, we made it to the top. We're just sitting having a chill. You went up on the diving board, didn't you?
Yeah.
Luckily,
Photos.
she didn't dive off, so that's a good thing. How you feeling about getting to the top? Feeling good? It was a challenge, they wanted this one.
Oh.
Got wet feet, cold hand. Right, we're on the main track on the way back to the car.
Yeah.
One of us had a little bit of a slip and a fall.
That being me.
You know, we like to call that a 2 and 8. So Maya's had a bit of a 2 and 8 there. But she's still going, and she's got a smile on her face. Haven't you? Show me your smile. That's real, isn't it? That's a real, genuine, happy. That's a real, genuine, happy smile. No acting involved there whatsoever. So I, for one, am proud. We made it to the top. We're at the bottom. We got a little trek back to the car.
And the hot chocolate today.
And yeah, hot chocolate. Sweet as a nut, mate. Sweet as a nut.
Alright, so what's your rating of this mountain?
10 out of 10.
Mine's a 0. I fell over too many times.
You go up at about 30 yards.
So, what was your favourite part about this mountain? The reservoir?
Yeah, seeing the reservoir wall, yeah, that was good. The epicness.
It was crazy. My favourite part was probably the car.
The journey on the way here.
No, the car.
How's your feeling in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
The nice warm car.
Yeah.
And my least favourite bit is the thing.
Falling over. Which one? Was that the first, second or third or fourth time you fell over?
Ball.
The fourth one, yeah. I think the fourth one was the worst one.
Yeah, like, no, because like, the third one was the worst one, and then I fell after,
Yeah.
and that just like gave me more slippage.
When you first got your shoe wet, and then I think your hands were cold, you had a little cry then.
Yeah.
But then when you well, you did, and then when you actually fell over at the end, and that was the last fall where you got just completely muddy and wet and soaking.
Yeah.
I think that's when you just fully just gave up on everything, because you couldn't even bring yourself to tears. You were just like, what am I doing here right now? Why am I out here? I could be at home watching Stranger Things. You know?
I actually only have 35 minutes.
Right, we have just finished the hike and we are back in the car. We're going to travel home back to Bristol. She's got her monster claws, she's happy. All in all, it was really good. I know you had a few slips and falls, but it was funny, wasn't it? Now we're back in the car, you can look back and laugh. And then yeah, we are done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Say bye. Maybe don't say bye because you got a mouthful of crisps.